Today I am going to show our group capstone project called Vitamin Finder. This website helps users find out what vitamins are present in different food items across various categories. It's built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Firebase FileStore for backend. So the idea is behind this project is to raise awareness about nutrition with just a few clicks. User can search food items like fruits, vegetables, grains, meats, or dairy products and instantly get a list of their vitamin contents. And the website key vitamin finder includes the key features such as user can sign up and log in into our website and they can search their desired food item by category or food name and it will display the vitamin details with benefits and recently searched items and all data is managed using Firebase. So now let me show you the codes of our website and this is the sign up page and this is the code of our sign up page and this is the CSS which we have used for our sign up page and this is the code JavaScript and HTML, CSS code for our sign up page. So when we enter into the sign up page, it will say like messages, please enter both username and password for sign up. If you enter both username and password, you'll sign up into our website. So if the username is already taken, it will give the message like username already taken, try enter. So when you entered a proper credentials, it will give the message like sign up successful. Now you can log in into our website. And this is the sign up page of our project Vitamin Finder. And let me show you the login page of our project. And this is the login page and this is the CSS we have used it for the login page and this is the HTML and this is JavaScript code. And when you entered a proper credentials, it will give a message like login successful and it will be redirected into the dashboard.html. So when you entered a wrong credentials, it will show a message like invalid username or password. So you can check your credentials to get properly signing into our website. So when you click on sign up, if you have already have an account, it will redirect it into the login page. Otherwise, you can sign up to get created an account. And let me show you our dashboard HTML. And this is the dashboard for our website. And this is the CSS. And this is HTML code. And here we have included all the categories, fruits, vegetables, grains, meats, and dairy products. And you can search the food item with all categories. So when you click on search, you will get an image and vitamins and its benefits of the food item which you have entered. So the dashboard will welcome you with the website name and the welcome and your username. And it shows the vitamins benefits and the vitamins and its benefits and we have connected our vitamins data.json file to this dashboard to get the proper output and we have included the data of the vitamins or food items or the images of it all included all in the vitamin data.json file. So this is the code of our dashboard and let me show the vitamins data.json file and in this file, we have included all the vitamins and the food items and its related images to get the proper output. And we have included this file in the dashboard. We have connected both these two files to get the proper output. And in this file, we have included all the fruits or all the categories food items. So let me show the server.js file. And this is the server.js file which we have created for our project and this is the dashboard and this is server.js file and in this file in this vitamins data file we have created and included all our food items. Yeah, so now let me show the key.json file and this is the key.json file which we in this is the key for our vitamin finder app which we have created by using the Firebase file store. And now let me show the working of our website. So when we click on the sign up and open it with live server. It will be redirected into the sign up page. And here you can see that the app website name and all the details which I have told before. And let me enter the credentials. Yeah, it's showing username is already taken. Try another because I have already created an account in our website to check the working of it. So it's showing already have an account. So now I'll log in into our website by using the credentials which I have used before. When you click on login, it will show a message like login successful and it will be redirected into the dashboard. So here a welcome message and you can log out if you want to log out from our website, and it's showing all the categories which I have mentioned before. The user can search based on the category or no problem by using all the categories. So when you click on the search, you will get the result. So now I want to enter a food item to show the working. So let me enter a food item like tomato. Yeah, it's showing the output like this by providing an image and all the vitamins contained in the tomato. And it also shows the recent searches which I have recently searched food items. And this is the working of our website. Thank you.